Hi, welcome to CAD-TECH. For today's tutorial, we will be doing another isometric exercises. So we are now on our exercise 17 of our 20 days to the CAD exercise. To start with our drawing, make sure your units is in meters. So type units. Okay. 0.00 is our precision. And then press OK. If you are using higher version of AutoCAD, you can just turn on the ISO draft and it will be found in the status bar. Or you can just right click the object snap, go to object snap settings, go to snap and grid tab and click the isometric snap and press OK. Let's start with line. It's 0.88 and then 1.12. The height is 0.38, 0.62 and 0.5. It's 0.5. It was not indicated in the image here because what you need to do is you will just minus 0.88 with 0.38 to get the height of this one. Now, change your isoplane by pressing F5, 1.75. We'll just copy this line, CO, base point of our displacement. Let's just copy this part. Now the height is 1.75. Change your isoplane. Let's start here. It will be exact. Just delete this one. And then 1.75. Change your isoplane. That is 1.12. F5, 0.38. Then line F5. Change your isoplane, 0.38 and 0.88. You just need to connect the lines. Let's copy this line. And then click line. Turn off your ortho. Connect this line. And then click here. F8. F5. We won't be needing the measurement anymore. I will just trim it. I will just copy this line and then go to trim. Let's trim those lines that we do not need. So there you go. It might look complicated, but it's not. Let's go to gradient. Let's change our color. This is like a shading to look more nicer. And the last one. So I will be teaching you how to put dimensions in your isometric drawing. So what you need to do is to we will be using a line instead of linear. So example is this part. And then type Team Edit, select oblique, click the dimensions. And then if you want the dimensions to go down, you will click this part and it will follow. If you want the dimensions to be on this side, so what you need to do, Control C, so type dim edit again, select oblique, select the dimensions, right click, and then select this part. It's very easy. Let's do the other dimensions. Make sure it's in correct points. So dim edit, oblique, select the objects. So I want it on this side, so I'm just gonna click this part. There you go. So I'm already done adding all the dimensions in our drawings and also the text. So if you have any questions or suggestions, just comment down below. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorial. Thank you for watching and God bless.